Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Airplay to Samsung TV not working. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. General. Network. Turn on. Network status. Your Apple device and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you have problems with the network, disconnect. Network settings. Select your network. Connect. Open Airplay settings. Turn on. Require code. Reset paired device. Select first time only. Connect to Wi-Fi. Turn on Airplay. Select your TV. Enter password. That's it. Now you know how to fix Airplay to Samsung TV not working. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.